Why does your scanner show the P0579 engine code? What does it mean? P0579 is a diagnostic trouble code for cruise control, multifunction input, a circuit range performance. This engine code indicates a cruise control multifunction input, a circuit range performance malfunction. This means your vehicle's powertrain control module has detected a problem with the electrical signal from the cruise control switch. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: defective cruise control switch, faulty clock spring, wiring and connector issues, blown fuse. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW, Toyota, Opel, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.